How to make your own shortcut key in Windows PowerToys. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own shortcut key in Windows PowerToys. So let's get started. First of all, you got to download this application. You can do that from Microsoft Store. So you're going to go to Microsoft Store, go to the search bar and type in PowerToys. And if you haven't installed it before, you'll be able to see an install button. Click on that and then you'll be able to see open, and once you click on that you'll be able to see PowerToys settings. So you're going to go to the top bar and here you're going to type in Keyboard Manager. So simply type that down and you should see Keyboard Manager, and then over here you're going to toggle this button on. Once you do so, you're going to go to the bottom and click on Remap a Shortcut. After that, you'll be able to see a window pop up in front of you that would look something like this. So here you're going to add your shortcut remapping. So you're going to click on add shortcut remapping and then you're going to click on this over here. And after that, you're going to simply type in the keys that you want to create a shortcut for. For example, I'm going to click on Control, Alt, and let's say Q. And then you're going to click on OK. And here in to section, you get to click on action. For example, if you want this shortcut to, send key or trigger any other shortcut, or you want to send any text, run a program, or open a URL. So you can simply type anything down over here. For example, I'm going to paste the Facebook URL, let's say, and then I'm going to click on OK. Now let's try the shortcut. So I'm going to click on Control, Alt, and Q. And now you can see that Facebook website has been loaded in front of me. So that is how you can create your own shortcut in Windows PowerToys. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.